I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself locked out of your Snapchat account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Before starting recovery, use the Escherock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Choose recovery method. Select whether you want to receive a verification code via email or SMS. Choose the method that you have access to. Step 3. Enter verification code. Check your email or SMS for the verification code. Enter it into the app to verify your identity. Step 4. Reset your password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure it is strong and unique to enhance your account security. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication. After regaining access, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication for added security. This will help prevent future hacks. Remember, keeping your password secure and enabling two-factor authentication can save you a lot of hassle in the future. Good luck and stay safe online.